Okay, before we look at these here, 26 to 31, I think I'm going to have to write some log rules. So these are important log rules, just general forms you need to remember. Okay, so log to base b of 1. Whenever you log a 1, no matter what the base, remember, you get 0. Again, remember this, because anything to the power of 0 is 1. There's this, log to base b of b. Well, that is 1. Again, if you think of, log to base 10 of 10, because 10 to the power 1 will give you 10, okay? Now here's a kind of one you're going to use a lot of, especially in the application questions. Log to base b of b to the x. Now that is x, okay? So it's like saying, oh look, I've just basically, same base, that's just cancelled, okay? There you go, okay? So let's write it in again. Log to base b of b to the x. I'll show you an example. Log to base 10 of 10 squared. We actually looked at this one earlier. Now, in theory, that should be 2, shouldn't it? Okay? Again, because that's the same as that. The answer is just the exponent. And it's because of this. Because 10 squared is 100, isn't it? Well, there you go. Remember? 10 to the power 2 is 100. So there you go. That's a very good example, okay, of showing you why. There you go. It's just that. So that's like shortcuts, maybe. Now, there's one more I'm going to write down. It's one you kind of don't see too much often of, and it's this. Right. B to exponent log of base b of x is x. All right, and I suppose I can show you an example. I mean, sometimes like, really? So anyway, those are the 4 rules there. But let's have a look at this last one here. So if I just do it something with I know, so 10 to the log base 10 of 100. Now if you think about it, looking at this rule, that should be 100. Again, if I look at that rule, that's what the answer should be if I just look at it. But let's try it. Here we go. Remember? Well, remember, log to base 10 of 100 is 2. So yes, 10 to the power 2 is 100. I'm just proving it. But this here, this big box here, is kind of thing you see in textbooks, okay? So if we look at some of the questions, I'll leave that there. Look at this. Can you see the answer to this one? Is just 4 because of this rule here, okay? That rule there. And again, now you have to watch some of these because remember, a natural log is base e. Well, then of course the answer is 2. So you have to watch things like that. You know when it says log, remember that's log to base 10. If there's no base, ln, think of it as base e, okay? Now this one, this is that last rule. So can you see the answer is just going to be x. This one looks like it's just going to be t because again, what's missing here is the base 10. So again, it's like saying, okay, that is the same as that. So this is just t. That, because again, that should be 10. Then can you see this is going to be negative 20? Again, the answer is just the exponent. Now look at this one. Because log to base b, because, now then, b cubed square rooted. B cubed square rooted is that. So the answer is 3 over 2. So you have to kind of know your exponent rules for that particular area there, okay? The square root of b cubed. Okay, so there we go. That's just applying some of the rules, but especially, I'll circle it, especially that one. Okay. Rightio.